Okay, so just as we have seen with demand, that there are shifters, we have shifters of supply, and those are called the determinants of supply. And just to get, again, the difference, so whenever you have, so here we put quantity and here the price, and if we have a supply function which looks like this, and let's say we have a certain point, so if we move this point, okay, and now it's on there, so that point gives a certain quantity supplied given on the price, and if we shift this one, so if we move along the supply function, that is what we call a change in quantity supplied. Okay, but if the entire curve shifts, this one, that is what we call a shift in supply. And specifically, if you shift it to the right, that would be an increase in supply, and if you shift it to the left, that's a decrease in supply. Okay, so a change in quantity supplied means a movement along a supply curve, and that again means that the only determinant of quantity supplied is the price. So in other words, when we say what is the quantity at a price of 5, the correct answer would be the quantity supplied is 3, 4, or 5. It would not be correct to say at the price of 5 the supply is 5. You have to use the term quantity supplied, because the supply is the entire curve. It captures all combinations of prices and quantity supplied. Okay, so a change in supply means that it shifts the entire supply curve. And an increase of supply is a rightward shift, and a decrease of supply would be a leftward shift. So what are the determinants of supply? Well, the most important is production costs. But also expectations can determine supply. We also have prices of related products, and also very important is the number of sellers and competition. And last but not least, we have taxes and subsidies, but let's go over them one by one.